What's up everybody? So for today's video I'm gonna be learning about, actually I know a bunch of these already. I'm just gonna rehearse them all, so this is the list of everything I need to know so I can move on to intermediate. So intermediate knowledge about basic electronics to intermediate electronics. So now for today I'm just gonna learn about the components. Okay, I have a bunch of components here. You can see it, but let's see, I'm gonna show it to you. So here are the components I'm gonna learn, but this one is just the other part. Let's forget about it. So I'm gonna learn about the resistors, capacitor, diode, LED, transistor, potentiometer, buzzer, and you get what I'm saying. Okay, we're just gonna rehearse everything to it and then probably write it on this paper, right? So okay, so first what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like name it, I'm gonna put a paper here and name it electronics. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Do you want to like see the, I'm gonna show how, I guess I'm gonna show how I put the paper on the notebook. If you want to see that, let's go. So I'm just gonna hit this glue gun up so I can put it here. I can put it in the notebook, I guess. It's simple, you know it, of course. You just got it on the perfect amount. Oops. Okay. You know, I've actually done it to several of my books. I'm just a beginner. I just wrote it like that, but I'm just a beginner on everything. Well, if you're smarter, thank you. You're very nice that you're determined. Okay, and then let's just wait for it to completely melt. Okay, let's stop this first. Okay, so now it's probably melted. We're just gonna like apply it. Oops, wrong. So, is it? Is this the right side? Okay, this side. Or yes, this side. Right. We just apply the glue. Then put it right there. See, I just wasted a bunch of electricity just to put it like that. Okay, now we go on and learn basic electronics component. We write it. Sorry for my bad handwriting, it's alright. Electronics, alright, it's alright. Okay, now we're gonna go get on the learning process. Okay, let's go. Resistor is done, so we're just gonna check it out. And now we're gonna be moving on the next part, which is capacitor. Okay, so a capacitor is done. Oops. And then now next is the diode. Okay, so diode is done. We're gonna check it out. Now LED is pretty basic, so we're just gonna check it out again. Okay, now this is checked and this is checked. Okay, now next is the transistor. Let's go. Okay, so I just checked the transistor because it's already done, and now we're gonna go with the potentiometer. Now that potentiometer is done, we're just gonna check it out. I forgot, next is buzzer. I mean, this one is just like we need a code to it. I know how it works. Let's just go with breadboard. Okay, I'ma just skip this, alright? I'ma just skip the buzzer. Let's go with the breadboard. Okay, now the breadboard is done. I'm gonna go to the battery. I mean, the battery is very easy. The negative and the positive, that's just how it supplies the battery. And power supply, it's easy too. And jumper wires, I'm gonna just write them. See, all of them is done, so I'm just gonna okay, so I've written everything from here, here, and here. Okay, it's done already. So okay, now I finish everything in the basic components, and now I'm gonna try and teach it to y'all. Let's go. Okay, now let's start off with this. Okay, this is an LED. So this side is the positive side and this side is the negative side. Now if we put the positive side, let's go with 3 volts so we don't hurt the LED. Is there? Oh, holy moly, bro. So I put this on the ground part and this is on the positive part. So now if we put it there, since each row of this breadboard is connected, like all of that is connected, this one is all connected, and so on. And now since this is the positive and this is the negative, we'll get our diode. Okay, our LED, right? So can you focus, bro? Okay, so this part is the positive and this part is the negative. So if we put it here, boom, it will turn on. See, it turns on. So easy, right? And first, so there is 3 main part of it. The middle is very important. So you put positive, it don't matter where you put the positive or negative, and put it here, the negative on the other side too. Are they connected? Alright, then get your LED, put the positive side because this supplies positive to this, and the resistance, it will resist it depending on the knob, right? And oh bro, there we go. See, now if I turn this, it should slowly, like, see, it slowly dims and then until it's not, and boom, now it's so bright. What's happening is this part is supplying this a positive, bro. uh, voltage or something. I don't know how to explain it very well, but I'm just telling you what I learned. Okay, so when you go there, it the resistance will go high. When you go spin it on the other side, and then if you spin it right here, the resistance will go very low. And then if you put it backwards, I think you're just gonna spin it the other way around. Maybe let's try and put it right here. And bro, what happened? Is it, bro? I need a flash. There we go. Did I do something wrong? No, I didn't do something. What happened though? What? Why don't it work? What? Look what's happening when I turn it right there. Bruh, I don't know what happened, but it's alright. Okay, let's move on to the... I guess you just need to put the negative always on this left side and positive on right side to make it work. And let's go to the other part, which is the resistor. Okay, so this is a resistor. So when let's see, I'm gonna teach it to you first. I mean, I'm learning it. So see how bright that is. But this resistor actually helps you stop the how much what is this, how much voltage you need. So see how bright that is. You said, hey, I wanna make it a little bit less brighter because I'm gay, I'm scared of the dark. I mean, no, I'm a guy. See, now it's less light, right? It's less lighty, you know what I'm saying? Because the positive goes through here, and then this one kind of eat it depending on how hungry this guy is. Maybe he's 1k hungry, and then now he's gonna eat some voltage and stop it here. Now if the guy is a big dude and he's like 1 million hungry, of course you wouldn't see a light in here because he probably eat it up depending if the voltage in here is low. So that's it. Let's go with the capacitor. So this is a capacitor, and let's go with the capacitor. Let's go and do it. So obviously this is the positive, this is the negative. What the capacitor does is just like a small battery, you know. It drinks up all the battery and stores it here. Now if there's no energy, when you remove it, boom, it will now quickly release the energy or the electrical energy or something, or the voltage, right? See, oops, wrong side. I put the positive side on the negative. Okay, see that it's lighting, right? Now we wait for 1 2 3 4 5, and now if we remove this, it should, oh you know, it I'm it like quickly dumps all the energy in here, I think. So let's use the resistor. So it wouldn't like quickly dumps all the energy as fast as hell, bro. How do I use it? Should I use it like this? I think. And like this and this. See? And now when I remove it, it like slowly fades away. Let's higher the voltage. Now it's a higher voltage. Now when I remove it, it goes here and slows down the current in here. Like instead of whoosh, it will go whoosh, right? No, you get me, you know what I'm saying? That's what I think it is though. And then let's go. Bro, what's happening? Why is it turning off? Oh, there we go. And then 1 2 3, boom. See, it like fades. Boom, boom. Instead of like this. Boom, boom, boom. Then and when we use the capacitor, it goes boom, boom. Okay, so that's what it does. Okay, now we're gonna go to the diode, I guess. The diode is like they said, I guess this green part, gray, so it only goes, the voltage goes through here but not here, right? It stops the electricity flow from this side, so you can't go here. Like, oh no me gusta cabrones, no no no, it will just go here and boom. Okay, so let's try it, right? Oh, let's lower the voltage. Because our LED couldn't probably handle the heat. Okay, let's go. See, okay, when we use this, see, it works, but when we reverse it, boom. Now it don't work, right? It doesn't work because it stops the voltage from getting here. Like, no, I have a boyfriend, like that. And then when we go here, okay, now we broke up. You can go in the back side of me. That, see, now it's on. Okay, let's go with the last part, I think. What's the last part? We look at my book. Oh, transistor. I haven't told you the transistor. That one is actually easy. Let's just clean this up. Okay, so this is a transistor, you know what I'm saying? Okay, this is a transistor. Alright, and let's put the negative here, I think. Yes, the negative here is there, and this is the positive, right? It don't matter which side you want, I guess. So, well, okay, so we're gonna get a little bit of positive here, right? So see, it doesn't run, right? Like, whoa, why? It should run, but if we put a little bit of positive here, nothing happens. So what did I do? You see, so when we apply a little bit of voltage here in the middle, it will trajectory. See, now it completes the, it's now lighting right when we put it on this voltage. See, because when you apply a small amount of voltage in the middle, this will now flow here connecting the thing. So I guess that's all. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you guys if you are watching. So I hope you learned something from me, and this video is mainly for me learning, so I'm just gonna try to teach it to you because of the Feynman method or whatever. I hope you guys learned something though, and I want you to subscribe so I can get motivated and teach you, and I'll learn more or something. I will learn more. That's it. Bye bye guys.